It's Friday again. It's Saturday, Sunday, meow. It's Friday again. It's Saturday, Sunday, brr. Well, time to get all those plans for the weekend in motion. I wonder what you'll all be doing. Will you be like me, snuggling down on the sofa? Hiding under cars? There'll be no chasing birds. No chasing mice. They'll be away in little burrows. It's too wet. I'm gonna cry. There'll be nothing for a cat to do but snuggle down. Are you all going to snuggle down in your beds and on the sofa? Don't watch telly. No, I've got to go to work. 6:10. Watch Pookie cat videos instead. I'll snuggle down to watch Pookie. But you know we like to Pookie, don't you? We all like Pookie.